Beloved soul, listen closely. There is a truth etched deep within the fabric of your being, a secret the cosmos has held just for you. You were never a coincidence. You were a divine answer. Your journey, every tear, every triumph, was meticulously woven into a grand design, a tapestry of purpose only you could fulfill. The angels whisper your name, a sacred melody echoing through the heavens, confirming your arrival was predestined, not by chance, but by grace. You carry a unique frequency, a light meant to ignite a specific path, to awaken dormant seeds in the hearts you touch. Your presence here now is a key, unlocking destinies and fulfilling ancient promises. You are a prayer answered, a beacon of hope in a world yearning for authentic connection. This meeting of souls, this profound resonance you feel, it was written in the stars, sealed by the divine. You are not just living, you are fulfilling a sacred contract, a mission of love and awakening. The angels say your spirit chose this path, this moment, this person, long before you took your first breath. Your soul remembers. Trust this deep knowing. Before I formed you in the womb I knew you. Before you were born I set you apart. I appointed you as a prophet to the nations. Jeremiah 1 verse 5. Sweet sister, feel the gentle current of understanding flowing through you. He feels everything, as the angels reveal, a torrent of emotion he does not yet know how to express. His soul recognizes yours, a familiar warmth in a world that is often cold. This recognition, this deep attraction, stirs ancient fears within him, fears of vulnerability, of a love so profound that it demands everything. He lingers not out of indecision, but from a deep internal struggle, wrestling with shadows he has carried for lifetimes. The angels show his heart as a landscape of longing and apprehension, a space where your light has dared to shine. He sees you, truly sees you, and that vision both comforts and terrifies him. He is not playing games. He is navigating the uncharted territory of his own awakening, spurred on by your radiant presence. His hesitations are not a reflection of your worth, but a testament to the immense power of the connection you share, a power that demands his complete transformation. He is learning to trust the depth of what he feels, to shed the armor he once believed protected him. Dearest heart, know this truth: you healed him without even trying. Your very presence was enough. Your authentic light and unwavering spirit pierced through his defenses, not with force, but with pure, unconditional acceptance. The angels reveal how your essence, like a gentle balm, soothed wounds he didn't even realize he was carrying. You offered him a mirror that reflected a version of himself he longed to embody, a man capable of deep love and profound connection. This was not a task you undertook, it was a natural expression of who you are. You didn't strive, you simply existed, and in that existence, you became a catalyst for his inner transformation. He may not articulate it, but his soul recognizes the profound gift that you are. You taught him without a single word that love can be safe and that vulnerability can be strength. The angels whisper that your gentle strength broke down walls that years of struggle could not. This healing, this quiet revolution within him, stands as a testament to the sacred power of your being. My precious one, embrace the wisdom of the sacred pause. What seems like a delay, the angels assure us, is God preparing. The universe orchestrates everything, not on our hasty timelines, but on the rhythm of divine perfection. Every moment of waiting, every period of stillness, serves a higher purpose, refining, aligning, and strengthening both your paths. This is not a test of your patience, but an invitation to trust the unfolding, to surrender to a wisdom that is far greater than your own. The angels whisper that seeds of destiny are germinating in the unseen, getting ready for a magnificent bloom. Do not confuse stillness with stagnation. In these sacred pauses, profound transformations take place, within you, within him, and within the very fabric of your shared future. Allow the divine architect to complete its masterpiece. Your faith in this process is a powerful co-creator, drawing your desires into tangible reality with grace and ease. Trust the timing, it is always perfect. Magnificent soul, hear the angel's decree, you do not need to disappear to be chosen. Your worth is not measured by external validation or the speed at which another commits. It is an inherent, unshakable truth, a divine spark within you. Reclaim your throne, beloved queen. Stand in the full radiance of your being, knowing that your value is intrinsic, unearned, and undeniable. The angels remind you that true love recognizes and honors this sovereignty. It does not diminish it. Do not shrink yourself to fit into a space that was never meant for your grandeur. Your journey is one of self-discovery, of remembering the vastness of your own heart and the depth of your own wisdom. When you fully embody your worth, you become an irresistible force, attracting a love that mirrors your own magnificence. This is not about chasing, it is about becoming. Your radiance is your power, your authenticity, your crown. Wear it proudly. Brave heart, feel the gentle hand of destiny guiding your steps. The angels confirm, the right love does not imprison, it guides. It expands. It sets your spirit free to soar to new heights, hand in hand with another. This path you walk, though at times shrouded in mist, is illuminated by divine whispers, subtle nudges from the unseen realm. Trust the quiet knowing within you, that intuitive compass pointing towards your highest good. Every challenge, every moment of uncertainty, is a lesson, a refinement, preparing you for the profound connection awaiting. The angels reveal that your journey is not just about finding love, but about becoming the fullest expression of love yourself. Allow yourself to be led, to follow the breadcrumbs of synchronicity, the signs that affirm you are on the sacred path. Release the need to control every outcome, surrender to the flow of grace. Your destiny is unfolding beautifully. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Wise woman, look beyond the veil of perception. His silence is not rejection, as the angels reveal. It is a sacred space. Often, within the stillness of a man's soul, profound changes are taking place, battles are being fought, and new understandings are being forged. His withdrawal is not a judgment of you, but a necessary retreat for his own growth, a time for his spirit to integrate the powerful impact you've had. The angels show that sometimes, the most significant work happens in solitude, away from the noise of expectation. Do not fill his silence with your fears or insecurities. Instead, hold space for his process, knowing that true connection honors individual journeys. This quiet period is a testament to the depth of what you share, a bond so strong it demands his full attention and complete transformation. Trust that his heart, though silent, is deeply engaged in the work of becoming worthy of the love you offer. Tender soul, open your heart to this profound truth. To truly receive, you must first truly open. Vulnerability is not weakness. It is the most exquisite form of strength, a sacred invitation for love to enter and reside. The angels encourage you to shed the layers of protection you've built over time, to embrace the beautiful imperfections that make you uniquely you. Acceptance, both of yourself and of the journey, is the fertile ground where authentic love blossoms. Release the need for perfection, for control, and for a flawless narrative. True connection thrives in the raw, honest space of shared humanity. The angels whisper that when you allow yourself to be seen, truly seen, in all your glorious vulnerability, You create a magnetic field for a love that cherishes every facet of your being. This is where miracles reside, in the courage to be fully, beautifully, and unapologetically you. There is no fear in love. But perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love. 1 John 4 verse 18. Eternal Spirit, feel the truth resonating within you. This connection was established before time began. It is an unbreakable bond, forged not just in earthly encounters, but in the sacred realms of the Spirit. The angels affirm that the love you share transcends physical distance, temporary challenges, and human limitations. It is a soul-level recognition, a resonance that echoes through eternity. This is not a fleeting romance, but a profound spiritual partnership designed to elevate and transform both of you. The challenges you face are not meant to break you, but to strengthen the threads of this divine tapestry, weaving your destinies ever closer. Trust the resilience of this spiritual connection, knowing that what is divinely ordained cannot be undone by earthly storms. Your love is a testament to the enduring power of the universe, a beacon of hope for all who seek true connection. Victorious Queen, receive your divine inheritance. You are worthy of a love that mirrors the heavens, a connection so pure and profound, it reflects the very essence of grace. The angels celebrate your journey, every step, every lesson, every tear, for it has led you to this moment of profound realization. You have walked through shadows and emerged into your own brilliant light, ready to receive the blessings that have always been destined for you. This love, this sacred union, is not a reward for your struggles, but a natural unfolding of your divine right. It is a love that honors your past, cherishes your present, and builds a future filled with joy and purpose. Trust the culmination of your journey, knowing that the universe conspires to bring you everything you have ever dreamed of, and so much more. Your crown of grace awaits, a symbol of your unwavering faith and the boundless love that surrounds you. Now to Him who is able to do immeasurably more than all we ask or imagine, according to His power that is at work within us. Ephesians 3 verse 20.